Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you an easy step-by-step method to verify your Shutterstock contributor account and start earning from your creative content. Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through the easy method to verify your Shutterstock contributor account so you can confidently upload and sell your creative work. Verifying your contributor account is key to unlocking the full benefits Shutterstock offers, including accessing your earnings and securing your profile. Let's begin the process step by step. First, you must have a registered Shutterstock contributor account. If you haven't signed up yet, go to Shutterstock.com and click on the contributor sign up. Fill in your information accurately, including your real name, email, and a strong password to create your account. After registration, Shutterstock requires identity verification to ensure the security and authenticity of contributors. You'll receive an email prompting you to verify your identity. Click the verification link or log into your contributor dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the verification section specifically marked for identity confirmation. Here, you will be asked to submit a valid government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure the document is clearly scanned or photographed with all information visible. Next, you need to provide a selfie holding the same ID next to your face. This step is critical as Shutterstock uses this to match your face to your ID to prevent fraud. Make sure your face is clearly visible, well lit, and fully within the frame. Once you upload these documents, Shutterstock's team will review your submission. This review process generally takes from a few hours up to 48 hours. During this time, avoid submitting multiple times to prevent delays. After your verification is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and unlock full contributor privileges. You can now upload your photos, illustrations, videos, or vectors and start earning royalties from downloads. Keep your profile updated and follow Shutterstock's quality guidelines for the best chances of success. Remember, a verified account enhances trust with buyers and supports smooth payment processing. That's the straightforward method to verify your Shutterstock contributor account quickly and easily. Thanks for staying with us through the steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if this guide helped you on your creative journey.